Alright class, now we continue probability of an event. Okay, one method of assigning probability of an event is by using classical approach. Classical probability approach uses sample space to determine the probability of an event occurring. This approach assumes that all outcomes of the experiments are equally likely to occur. The probability of an event is given by probability of set A equals NA over NS. NA is the number of element in set A. NS is the number of element in sample space. Okay, alright. Look at example 1. A die is rolled once. Find the probability of getting the number 5 and a number less than 4. So, soalan minta find the probability. Okay, using this formula. Okay, using this formula. First step, you have to find the sample space. Okay, when the question given is a die is rolled once, so we know that the outcomes when a die is rolled once, okay, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the sample space, this is first step, the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is sample space there. Okay, when a die is rolled once, so sample space there, the outcomes of the experiments there. Okay, and then how many element in sample space? NS there. Okay, the number of element in sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we know that NS is 6. Okay, and then second step, okay, soalan minta yang A tu find the probability by getting number 5. So kita letkan, ni soalan A kita letkan A is equal getting number 5. Okay, so what is the element in set A? Okay, from the sample space. So we know that when we let getting number 5, so the element in set A is 5. Okay, okay, boleh nampak lah. Alright, and then what is the number of element in set A? Okay, NA ni adalah the number of element in set A. It is 1. Okay, only 1. And then barulah kita boleh cari probability dia. Okay, kita dah tahu NS dia berapa, NA dia berapa, and then substitute into formula. Probability of A is equal the number of element in set A over dengan the number of element in sample space. Okay, so NA is 1 over dengan NS, which is 6. Okay, so the answer is 1 over 6. Alright, soalan minta probability dia. Okay, look at B. B is find the probability a number less than 4. So kita letkan, okay, this is B. Letkan B getting number less than 4. Saya short formkan dia. Alright, so what is the element in set B? Okay, getting number less than 4. Okay, look at it from the sample space. Okay, the element for set B is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 termasuk tak? 4 termasuk tak? Tak termasuk. Okay, okay, soalan minta the number less than 4, kurang daripada 4, which is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what how many elements in set B? Okay, the number of element in set B is 1, 2, 3. So 3 elements. Okay, and then barulah kita boleh cari probability dia. Probability of B, set B. Okay, sebab apa? Sebab kita dah letkan sebagai B. So kita jadikan probability of set B equals to the number of element in set B over the number of element in sample space. Okay, so we know that NB is 3 over dengan NS, which is 6. Okay, sample space dia 6. 3 over 6, we can simplify, we get 1 over 2. So this is the answer. Alright, boleh faham now? So this is for example 1. Okay, example 2. Okay, kalau tak faham boleh tanya dalam soalan, okay? Tanya dalam WhatsApp. Tanya dalam soalan. Okay, example 2. A coin is tossed twice. Okay, boleh nampak dah? Kalau tak nampak boleh tengok dalam notes awak, okay? A coin is tossed twice. What is the probability that at least one hit occur? Okay, so kita tahu dia punya eksperimen dia, a coin is tossed twice. That means this is first toss. First toss, the outcomes dia hit, tail. Okay, this is first toss dia. Okay, second toss, keluar lagi. Outcomes dia hit, tail. Hit, tail. Okay, and then bila dah toss twice, okay, when a coin is tossed twice, then the sample space is hit, 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 tail, tail, hit, tail, tail. Okay, and then how many elements in sample space there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of element in sample space is 4. Okay, bila soalan minta probability, okay, that at least one hit occur tu, first step you have to find the sample space. Okay, this is sample space. You have to find the NS first. Okay, the number of element in sample space. And then barulah kita go to the next step. Soalan minta probability that at least one hit occur. So this is first step. Okay, second step, kita letkan A. Apa soalan minta? At least one hit occur. Okay, at least one hit occur. So what is the element in set A? Okay, bila soalan minta at least one hit occur, okay, look at from the sample space. Okay, walaupun soalan minta at least sekurang-kurangnya satu hit saja. So kalau kat sini dia ada 2 hit, so it is acceptable. Okay, 1, and then hit tail, ada tak one hit occur? Yes, ada. 2, and then tail hit, ada tak one hit occur? Yes, ada. Tail ada tak hit occur? Tak ada. So the element inside A is hit, 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 tail, and tail, hit. Okay, so what is the element? How many element inside A? 1, 2, 3. Okay, the number of element inside A is 3. Okay, so kita dah tahu NA dengan NS, then substitute into formula. Step 3, probability of set A is equal the number of element inside A over dengan the number of element in sample space. We know that NA is 3 over dengan NS is 4. So 3 over 4, this is the answer. Okay, boleh faham nah? For example 2, okay, tak faham boleh tanya dalam WhatsApp. Okay, now next example 3. Alright, look at example 3. Okay, kalau tak nampak dekat sini boleh tengok dalam notes awak. Okay, example 3. There are 90 applicants for a job with the news department of a television station. Some of them are college graduates and some are not. Some of them have at least 3 years experience and some have not. With the exact breakdown given as follows. Okay, this is table yang dia dah bagilah. Okay, college graduate, not college graduate, at least 3 years experience, less than 3 years experience. Okay, this is data dia. Okay, ini soalan kat bawah tu. If the order in which the applicants are interviewed by the station manager is random, G is the event that the first applicant interviewed is a college graduate. So, kita letkan G sebagai college graduate. Okay. And T is the event that the first applicant interview has at least 3 years experience. So, kita letkan T sebagai has at least 3 years experience. So, kalau saya akan buat kotak baru. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Dalam soalan tu dia bagi tahu G as college graduate. Okay, G as college graduate. So kita letkan G as college graduate. So for not college graduate, kita letkan sebagai G prime. Okay, G is college graduate. So for not college graduate, kita letkan sebagai G prime. Okay, supaya kita boleh nampak the opposite. Okay, dia punya opposite from the college graduate dia. And then kita letkan T sebagai at least 3 years experience. So less than 3 years experience kita letkan sebagai T prime. Okay, kita letkan macam tu. Alright, walaupun dalam soalan dia tak bagi tahu, so kita letkan untuk opposite dia. Okay, and then this is data dia yang dia bagi. 36 set 27. Okay, soalan minta apa? Determine the probability of G and probability of T. Okay, bila soalan minta probability, that means first step we have to find the sample space. Okay, how to find the sample space? Kalau based on table. Okay, first we have to total up. Total up for the first row. 18 plus 9, we get 27. Second row, 36 plus 27, we get 63. Okay, and then total up for the first column, 18 plus 36, we get 54. Second column, 9 plus 27, we get 36. Okay, lepas dah awak total up, and then barulah awak boleh total up 27 plus 63, we get 90. Okay, 54 plus 36, we get 90. Pastikan apa yang awak tambah kat sini, awak dapat 90, sama dengan apa yang awak tambah kat sini, dapat 90 juga. Okay, kalau dapat yang lain, that means awak ada wrong calculation lah. Okay, pastikan yang ni tambah ni dapat 90, yang ni tambah ni pun dapat 90 juga. So 90 ni is the number of element in sample space. This is NS dia. Okay, number of element in sample space. Okay, so 54 ni apa? 54 ni the number of element for college graduate. The number of element for college graduate. So this is NG. 36 is the number of element for not college graduate, G prime. Not college graduate. So this is NG prime. Okay, and then 27, the number of element that has at least 3 years experience, and T. And 63, the number of element for T prime, less than 3 years experience. Okay, and then kita dah calculate semua ni, barulah kita tengok pada A dia nak probability of G. Okay, probability of G. Okay, formula dia number of element in set G over dengan number of element in sample space. We know that NG is this one, 54. Okay, bukannya 18, bukannya 36. Ambil yang total up dia, 54. Okay, so 54 over NS dia ni 90, yang awak dah total up keseluruhan dia. Okay, keseluruhan dia 90. Okay, so 54 divide 90, you get 0.6. This is the answer. Okay, 54 divide 90, you get 0.6. Okay, this is for A. For B, probability of T. T apa T? T adalah at least 3 years experience. Okay, the number of element in set T over dengan number of element in sample space. We know that NT is 27. Ambil yang total up bukannya 18, bukan 19. Okay, kita ambil total up dia. 27 over NS. NS adalah keseluruhan dia, 90. So 27 divide 90, you get 0.3. This is the answer. Okay, this is how to calculate bila soalan bagi dalam bentuk table. Alright, awak kena cari total up dulu, cari NS dia dulu. Okay, ini barulah awak akan dapat NG, NG prime, NT, NT prime. Then baru boleh proceed untuk cari probability dia. Alright, you faham dah? Alright, for additive rule, next page, next video.